students, welcome to virtual class of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai Education Department. I am Mrs. Akshata Kale and today we will learn English. Come on students, let us begin our lesson. Subject English. Standard first. Topic is 2.6. Be quick. Dear children, today we are going to play a game. We are not going to study anything. We are not going to learn anything. We are going to play today. Shall we begin? Yes, here you can see a teacher and some children. They are going to play a very interesting game. I am sure you will like this. See here, the name of this game is Be Quick. Jaldi karo. Be quick. Yes, and it begins like this. Speak, speak. ओके आज हम लोग क्या करने वाले हैं? गेम खेलने वाले हैं. आज बिल्कुल पढ़ाई नहीं होगी, बस गेम होगा. ओके, विल बिगिन. बी क्विक. लिसन एंड से. Listen to the names of the vegetables and add other names to it. Yes, dear children, today is the first game. Here we are going to list the names of vegetables. Okay, now how the game starts? Teacher says, speak, speak. What to speak? Vegetables name. Be quick. बोला तो हम लोगों को अभी वेजिटेबल्स नेम बताते जाने का है. जो भी याद आ जाएगा, जो भी वेजिटेबल आपको पसंद है वो, अदरवाइज कौन से भी वेजिटेबल्स का नाम याद आएगा वो नाम बोलना है एंड उसके बाद में बी क्विक ऐसा ऐड करना है. ओके, फर्स्ट वी विल ऑब्जर्व द गेम प्लेड बाय दिस टीचर एंड हर चिल्ड्रन. टीचर ने बोला है स्पीक स्पीक. व्हाट टू स्पीक? वेजिटेबल्स नेम. बी क्विक. नाउ दिस बॉय सेड टोमेटो. बी क्विक. नेक्स्ट पोटैटो. बी क्विक. नेक्स्ट रेडिश. बी क्विक. नेक्स्ट ऑनियन. बी क्विक. Yes, cauliflower. Be quick. Then this girl says, lady's finger. Be quick. Carrot. Be quick. Peas. Be quick. Oh no. Oh, I didn't get it. Yes. She didn't get any name of the vegetable. So our game finished here. Got this children how to play this game? Yeah? Nice. Claps for each child. Now we will play this same game by using different things. See here. Let us play the game using different categories like now fruits. Okay, what to do here? Here we have to tell the names of the fruits and then we have to say be quick. Got this? Come on. Now teacher says speak, speak. What to speak? Fruits name. Be quick. Okay, we'll see how the children they say the fruits name and how they play this game. Apple. Be quick. Pineapple, be quick. Jamun, be quick. See the pictures. Then orange, be quick. Fig, be quick. Pomegranate, be quick. Mango, be quick. Oh no! Now this time this boy didn't get any name of fruit. Yes, again the game over. Nice one, na? Yes, claps for each child. Yes, next game. Let us play the game using different categories like animals. Okay, here we are going to play the game using the names of animals. Again, teacher, she says, speak, speak. What to speak? Animal's name, be quick. Okay, now here these children, they are going to list the animal's name one by one, and they will add be quick after the name of the animal. Okay, yes, speak, speak. What to speak? Animal's name, be quick. Now the first child, yes, horse, be quick. Cat, be quick. Rabbit, be quick. Dog, be quick. Elephant, be quick. Lion, be quick. Yes, each child said the name of an animal. Yes, very good. Next. Again, one more thing we will take into consideration. Okay, let us play the game using different categories like now colors. We will use colors here. You know different colors, right? Red, orange, whatever. Here also same thing we have to do. We have to name the color and then we have to add be quick at the end of that sentence. Okay? Now, teacher says, speak, speak. What to speak? Color's name, be quick. Yes? We'll start. Red, be quick. Yellow, be quick. Then orange, be quick. Green, be quick. Black, be quick. Yes, white, be quick. Yes, all children got the answer. Yes, class for each and everyone. They played well. Dear children, you can also play this game with your friends, isn't it? Try to play this game with your friends and try to learn the new names of vegetables, colors and fruits, animals, birds, etc. Got this, children? Isn't it a nice one? Okay, now चलो बच्चों अभी हम लोग खेलेंगे. Okay, see here. Let us play the game using parts of our body. Yes, I am here sitting on the stool. Yes, speak, speak. What to speak? Parts of our body. Be quick. Yes, now your turn to name the parts of our body. Now you can touch your body. Come on, dear children, tell me the parts of your body and add, be quick after each part. Come on, we'll begin. Yes, eyes, be quick. Please touch your eyes. Ears, be quick. Nose, be quick. Mouth, be quick. Head, be quick. Hand, be quick. Fingers, be quick. Arm, be quick. Leg, be quick. Knee, be quick. Neck, be quick. Shoulder, be quick. Foot, be quick. Palm, be quick. Yes, like this, you can name the different parts of our body. Okay, got this, children? Yes, here you can see the parts of your body. Right? You want the names, then say this. Yeah, eye, nose, arm, leg, knee, head, ear, mouth, hand, foot. Isn't it? So many parts we are having. You know all these parts, isn't it? So you can play this game by using this, the body parts. Isn't it? Good, very good. Work for you. See here. Name these animals. Here you can see 4 animals. You have to name these animals. Right? You know the names of these animals, correct? You have to identify the names of these animals. Okay? Next, name these colors. Here you can see 4 colors. Okay? Now you have to name these 4 colors. Next, name these fruits. Here you can see 4 fruits. You have to name these 4 fruits. Okay. The last thing is name these vegetables. Here you can see 4 vegetables. You have to write names of these 4 vegetables down on the line. Got this, children? Yes, I hope you enjoyed this game. By this game, we have learned the names of different fruits, vegetables, colors and animals. Isn't it? Please try to play this game with your friends. Okay? Bye-bye. Thank you very much for being a part of this lesson. Please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon to get new updated videos.